All right, so it's Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday. It's a little rainy today, so I am going to give you guys something that you can do when you're in Franklin, Tennessee. And a great thing to do when it's raining is go indoors, and we're going to go and check out the Franklin Theater in downtown district. It was built in 1937, and it had many famous actors and plays and music venues. Amy Grant has been there. Jars of Clay, so many different names and bands. And it was actually renovated in 2007 from that 1937 by the Heritage District in Williamson County, and they had to raise $8 million to bring it back to life. So a lot of money and investments and time went into this theater, and is very historic. It's right in the middle of downtown. Huge sign on the street, and they do many different plays. Even Lion King has been there, a couple others to name, and it's just like a big history piece of Franklin, Tennessee, and a lot of attraction, and people come from all over to go to this theater. So we're gonna give you a little peek inside. I'm gonna show you some photos and tell you some more facts while I'm going over. Hey, so I'm just gonna jump in real quick and let you guys know that I'm a real estate agent here in Franklin, Tennessee. I'm making these videos to help people that are moving to the area or new to the area that want to know more about the city that they live in or that they're moving to. And so you guys can subscribe, hit that like button if you think these are helpful or useful. And if you are wanting a house here, or you're looking for a home, or you're wanting to sell your house, please give me a call. I have a Calendly link below, and you can schedule an appointment with me. I have a time set up that I have available left. And so I'd love to hear from you, and we'll just get back to the video. So they have a little snack bar in the lobby as you go in. They have mini donuts, they have drinks and snacks, and many different things. The seats are pretty comfortable. There's no bad seat in the house of the Franklin Theater. And from these photos, you can tell that that's very true. The Franklin Theater has many options for you. They have anything from plays to concerts. I think they even play movies on a screen sometimes. But yeah, that's something you can do in Franklin if you're wondering for something to do, something to try fun new. Anything like that. So you can check out the franklintheater.com for all their upcoming events, performances, and to get tickets, seats available. They have a whole calendar list for this year, and I'm not sure how far out it goes, but I know that they have this year already ready to go. So you can check that out and get your tickets online at thefranklintheater.com. So thank you for watching. I hope that you go check out the Franklin Theater. It is an amazing place, and it is a beautiful sight to see. It's such a classic style. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Peace.